Right, this is a planer. It works more or less like a shaper, except that the whole job moves backwards and forwards. The cutting tool is here, with the cutting edge down there, and it's also got a clapper box like the shaper over there for the return stroke. So on this stroke inwards, it will run slowly. Then the reversing gear here will pull the belt across from the neutral position on the, first of all we'll set it onto the cutting stroke like that, and then it will reverse itself and do a much faster return stroke. And then what we're working on now is the feed across here, so that every time it's done a cut all the way along the job, it moves a little way along and then does another cut, and then another one, and another one, until the whole top. The other way, I think. This way is easier first. Okay, we're going to have to give it a loose pulley, which is the neutral position. The cutting direction is this way on the outer belt. Are you ready? Okay, it should now be turning. And the pulley.
We're basically still at all of it. The workshop is done.
We're letting it run on the free pulley, the loose pulley, to let a lot of the goo get onto the belt. Noel's just squeezing some more goo out of the...
in the vibes also?
In the vibes, yeah. No, we're putting the belt back on. We pinched the clamping mechanism back onto the shaft, and hopefully now it won't. The belt won't. The pulley won't slide on the belt. So we're going to try it again. Okay, Nicolas. So wherever you're working, you can engage it, disengage it. Okay, just do it.
Yeah, okay.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
1 minute.
Yeah.
It's not quite.